Namaste friends, I am Ritesh and today our topic is wide leg forward bend, also known as Prasarita Padottanasana. Friends, it's a beginner to intermediate level hip opener, and before we get into the pose, we need to really be careful about people having recent chronic injury to the legs, back or shoulders should avoid it. If you have any hamstring tear, you should also avoid that pose. So now, before we get into the posture, we have to prepare yourself. So some of the asanas such as a downward facing dog or Supta Baddha Konasana or Uttanasana would be great before we get into the practice. So friends, now let's get into the pose. So starting with the Talasana. So once again checking that the chin is parallel, the neck is long, the crown of the head is feeling tall, the shoulders are down and relaxed, the core is engaged, and from here either you can jump or just comfortably take legs wide apart. Now when you take your legs wide apart, see that you don't take it too much wide where you feel discomfort, any strain on the inner groin. So what we need depends upon person's height. So according to that, you can take the distance of your feet. Now from here, keep the hands on the hip. Now if you want to make your asana quite intense, you can straighten the arms up. Else, you can just keep the arms on the hip. Now flex from the hip joint, but not from your lower back. So going slowly and gently. Now as you go slowly and gently, don't forget to engage the core, right? So slowly and steadily engaging the core, the rib cage is in line with my pelvis. So I move slowly, I check the neck and shoulders, they are relaxed. I can feel my foundation firm on the floor. Going down slowly and gently. Now from here, if I want, I can really intensify the stretch by lengthening the arms forward, one and one. Fine. So it depends. And I go down slowly and gently. If I find that my arms are not going on the floor, I can use these blocks. So that's the highest level of the block. I keep my palms. I see that my neck is long. And breathe. And later, slowly and steadily, you can change the block level, this, and then from there, and slowly and steadily, going down, then you can keep the palms on the floor, toes, hold it. These are the variations that you can get into it. Also, there is one more variation of getting into wide leg forward bend, is holding your arms behind and take it down. And now from here, same thing, widen the legs wide and check the neck and shoulders relaxed. Don't forget to smile and breathe. As I breathe in, I come back slowly. And I relax. Now friends, when you come back, it's also very important to check that if you're coming back, so keep your back flat and go down. Don't come back like this. Here you are giving a lot of tension on the back. So what I need is, so going down, and from here when you're planning to come up, flatten the back, keep the hands on the hip, bend the knees and come up slowly. It is more safe for your back. But yes, if you're feeling strong and energetic, you can straighten the knee also and come back. So friends, that was your wide leg forward bend or Prasarita Padottanasana. So friends, it's great for headache and also mild depression. It's great strengthening and it stretches the inner back and the legs and the spine. Friends, it tones the abdominal organs, calms the brain, relieves headache and any backache that you have. That is your wide leg forward bend benefits, or also known as Prasarita Padottanasana. Friends, I'm Ritesh here. In case you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe. And yes, if you have any comments or suggestions, please mention in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Namaste.